Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Our today's topic is top 3 natural remedies for sleep. Sleep is a crucial part of a healthy lifestyle. But if you have ever had trouble falling asleep, you know how hard it can be to get enough restful sleep and how important it is. Luckily, there are many natural remedies for sleep that can help you get the rest you need. Here are our top 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is a relaxing herb that can help people fall asleep or stay asleep. It is another option for helping you relax before bedtime. It has a strong aroma and flavor, so you may want to try a warm cup of chamomile tea before bedtime. You can also add a little honey to this drink if you like. Peppermint tea. Peppermint has been used for centuries as a remedy for many different conditions and ailments, including anxiety, insomnia, and stomach problems. The oil from the herb is used in aromatherapy products to help relieve stress and promote relaxation. Lavender oil. Lavender oil diffusers are also great at relaxing your mind and body before bedtime. And they smell great too. The Institute of Homeopathy recommends using lavender essential oil every day before going to sleep as an aid for falling asleep quickly and staying asleep longer. I hope this helps you guys. I'll be doing more videos like this, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. See you in the next video.